Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen using the color key effect and replace it with any background you want. I'm starting with a photo of a monitor that has a green screen, and I'll show you how to key that out and replace it with a picture of outer space. Let's get started. I've got my photo of the monitor imported into Premiere Pro. This image has a bright green screen on it. That's what we're going to key out. Next, I'm going to move the monitor to the second layer, and then on the first layer underneath our monitor, I'm going to place the picture I want to replace the green screen with. I'm going to drag it out so it's the same length as the monitor. This way, once we remove the green screen, the space image will show through underneath. Now, let's remove the green screen. Go over to the effects panel, and here you can type in color key. Here it is. Click on it and drag it over to our monitor clip. On the left here, you can see effect settings have opened up for our monitor. Scroll to the bottom and here you have the color key settings. Click on the eyedropper tool and select our green color. When you've done that, go back to the effects. Once you've picked your key color, you'll notice three main sliders in the color key effect: color tolerance, edge thin, and edge feather. Let's go through them all. Color tolerance. This controls how much green gets removed. Increase it until the green is completely gone. As you can see, I can't make it fully disappear, but that's why I have the other two sliders. Edge thin. This adjusts the edges of your key. You can pull it down slightly to tighten the edges. And then lastly, we have edge feather. This softens the edges so your key looks smoother and more natural. Adjust those three settings until the green area is fully transparent and the edges look clean. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.